Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the stickers in Filmora 13. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Filmora 13, and after that, as you can see, now we are here. For example, I'm going to take this clip here. So let's put this clip here. As you can see, now this is the clip. And now simply we have to go to the stickers option, and after going to the stickers option, we have to choose that which type of sticker you want. Firstly, we have to download the sticker. This icon means that we have not downloaded it. Simply we have double click on this and the sticker will be downloaded. You have to choose that which one you want. For example, I want to add this one, so you have to put wherever you want. And let's play this and let's see how it goes. I'm going to click on this play icon. As you can see, now the sticker is here. If you want to use a different one, you can also do that. I'm going to download this one here. Now simply we have to drag this here. As you can see, now we have to play this and we are here. So in this way you can download any kind of sticker in the Filmora 13. If you want these icons, if you want these stickers, these all are provided here. You just have to drag them into your timeline. So in this way you can add the stickers in the Filmora. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.